Here is the drawing of the component for which we need a new footprint. See, there are 5 pads around the device. Please note an important fact. The drawing is a bottom view. In KiCad, we always draw footprints in the top view. We have to mirror the drawing in our mind when creating the footprint. Let's create a new project and add our old project-specific library to it. In the footprint editor, we need to create a project-specific library too. We don't want to mix it with others. We will call it Diotec. The 3D model will be needed in a while, but I want to download it now and move it to the 3D folder. Here it is, pinned. The new footprint will be db15-01. I will use this split screen mode to see both the footprint editor and the datasheet. The central mounting hole will be at 0, 0 coordinates. The datasheet says the diameter is 5.2 mm, but I will add some tolerance, 5.4. The outer diameter should be for an M5 screw head. 6.5, too small. 8, still too small. 9, oh, okay. Let's find the correct answer on the internet. Here, M5, the diameter is 8.8. 9 is okay. Again, the drawing view is the bottom one. I have prepared this slot pad before for our pad number 1. Place it anywhere. We will use the power of KiCad. We can see the distance between the top and the bottom row is 24.3 mm. From the x-axis, it will be half of it. And 16 between the top 2 pads. It means 8 from the y-axis. Just enter minus 24.3/2 minus, because we want to go up. The pad number 2 is 16 mm from pad number 1. The function position relative to reference item is the right tool for now. Enter 16 and choose pad 1 as the reference. Now pad 3. Note the mirroring. The correct position is under pad 1. 24.3 mm from pad 1. We are using the same tool as before. Now the DC ports. Plus is 4, minus is 5. Copy the existing pad and rotate. The distance is again half of the 24.3 from the center. And pad 5 is 24.3 from pad 4. Now the outlines. In the fabrication layer, we need a square of the same dimensions as the physical device. Draw a random rectangle and go to Preferences. Set the center to 0, 0 and size to 28.5 and 28.5. The corner radius? 1, no, too small. 2, too big, 1.5 mm. Silkscreen. Draw a random rectangle again and set 0, 0 and 30, 30 with the radius of 2. And courtyard. 0, 0, 29, 29. The radius 1.5. Now the 3D model. You can add some description if you want. We store the step file in the local 3D folder. Here is a tip. Set the projection to orthographic in the bottom view. You can see all the pads clearly now. Take your time and carefully find the correct position for the 3D model. What we have to do is add another pad for the mounting hole. I want to mimic the shape of the real mounting hole. No issues. Nice job.